Hello guys, I am Saloni Mittal and welcome back on Management Colleges. So today I will tell you about the difference between MBA and PGDM. Most of the students are confused between whether they have to choose a MBA or a PGDM course. So today I will resolve all your confusions. MBA stands for Masters of Business Administration and PGDM stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Management. As MBA is a degree program while PGDM is a diploma program. Now let's talk about the similarity in both the courses. Both are the 2-year program and the eligibility criteria for both the courses are same. You need an entrance exam for taking an admission in both the courses, which are CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT and any other national level program. Content sometimes are same for both the courses and books are also same. Now let's talk about the difference. So MBA is a degree program offered by university only, which are approved by UGC and AICTE. So the structure of MBA is a traditional course and it is more theoretical if it compare with the PGDM. The certification programs in MBA is less if we compare it with the PGDM. So PGDM is a diploma and a technical course approved by AICTE and AIU, making it equivalent to MBA for the purpose of higher education. The course structure of PGDM is designed according to the corporate and the economic requirement. So the PGDM is the diploma and a technical course approved by the AICTE and AIU, making it equivalent to MBA for the purpose of higher education. This course is more practical rather than theory, and the structure of the course is designed for the corporate needs and the industrial needs. The certification programs in this course are more for making you job ready. PGDM is expensive than MBA because the input cost is higher than MBA. Now let's talk about the key difference of both the courses. The teaching pedagogy is totally different of both the courses. So here is the key difference between our both the courses MBA and PGDM. For more information, log into our website www.admissionmba.in/MBA versus PGDM. Now see you in the next video with more information.